Good day, viewers. You are welcome. So today we have these interesting algebra equations where we are required to find a plus b, given that a and b are members of integer. And the question here is, we have a plus 2ab plus b equals 8. So how to solve this is very simple. As the first step we to do is, we multiply this throughout by 2. And the reason for that is for easy factorizations. So by doing that, we have from the question, which is a plus 2ab plus b equals 8. So by multiplying out by 2, we have this multiplied by 2. That gives us 2a plus this multiplied by 2. We get 4ab plus this multiplied by 2. That gives us 2b equals 2 multiplied by 8, that is 16. So at these two sides, suppose we add 1 to both sides. So we have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b plus 1 equals 16 plus 1. So by combining the first and the second and the third and the first together, so we have what is common here is 2a. So by taking out 2a from here, we get 2a into bracket of, by dividing this one by 2a, we get 1 plus, also with this one, when we divide it by 2a, we get 2b plus, so nothing to divide here, we just write it as 2b plus 1 equals 16 plus 1, that is 17. So we have to note something here, that here is 1 plus 2b and here is 2b plus 1. So let's consider this principle. Suppose we have a plus b, so this is the same thing as b plus 1. We call this one commutativity. So when this is commutative, sorry, here is b plus a. When this is commutative, that is, suppose a here is 1 and b is 2. So 1 plus 2 is the same thing as 2 plus 1, because 3 equals 3. That is, 1 plus 2b is the same thing as 2b plus 1. And beside this, we have 1 here. So that is, we combine 2a plus 1 together, so that we have 2a plus 1 in bracket, open bracket, 2b plus 1, or we take 1 plus 2b, and everything equals 17. So this is where we come. We have to look for the factors of 17, since both of these are a and b are members of integer. That is, we consider both positive and negative. So when we multiply this one by 1, and it is not stated that a is greater than b or b is greater than a. That is, we consider everything as, we also have this as 1 multiplied by 17. Similarly, we have minus 17 multiplied by minus 1, and we can still have minus 1 multiplied by minus 17. So there are 4 cases here, so and we consider all these cases. So for case 1, we are going to let 2a plus 1 equals 17. So we have 2a plus 1, this equals 17. And while we have 2b plus 1, this equals 1. So it implies here that when we take this one here, what we get is 2a equals, this become minus, as we have 17 minus 1. And 17 minus 1, it gives us 16, and by dividing both sides by this, we are going to get a equals 8. And also for this, when we take this one here, we have 2b equals 1 minus 1, and it implies that the value of b here equals 0. And here is the first case. So for the second case, if we consider 2a plus 1 equals 1, and also we considered 2b plus 1 equals 17. So we take this one here, we are going to have 2a equals 1 minus 1. So and this implies that the value of a here equals 0. And also 2b equals 17 minus 1. And when we divide both sides here, we are going to have b as well equals 8. So we have to consider something here, that when a here equals 8, b is 0. And when a equals 0, b equals 8. And both of them are valid. So while for the third case, so for case 3, which is the negative part of this, suppose we have 2a plus 1. So for the first one, we are going to have equals minus 17. And also 2b plus 1 equals minus 1. So looking at this side, we have 2a equals minus 17 minus 1, as we have 2a equals minus 18. So when we divide both sides by 2 here, it implies that the value of a here equals minus 9. So similarly with this one, we have 2b equals minus 1 minus 1. Then we have 2b equals minus 2. And by dividing both sides by 2, we get b equals minus 1. And we have to verify for the last case, which is case 4. And here is the case. When 2a plus 1 equals minus 1, we are going to get 2b plus 1 equals minus 17. So let's do that. We have 2b plus 1. This is going to be equals minus 17. And we have 2a plus 1. This equals minus 1. So with this one, we take this one here, as we have 2b equals minus 18. Then we have b equals minus 9. Also here we have 2a equals minus 2, as we have a equals minus 1. So why the main question asked is find a plus b. So with this one, either we add 8 plus 0 or 0 plus 8 together. What we get is a plus b. This gives us 0, 8 plus 0, which is equals to 8. Or for the other part, which is a plus b, 0 plus 8. This also gives us 0. And this is the concept of commutativity. And also for this one, for a equals minus 9, and we add this together. So what we get is a plus b, that is minus 9 plus open bracket minus 1. And this gives us minus 10. So while for the other part, which is still a plus b, we are going to get minus 1 plus open bracket minus 9. And this is same thing as minus 10. So here are the solutions that satisfy this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and we find this video interesting, please do to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.